All right, let's take a look at the median for Adrian. Now, there are 20 scores for Adrian. So to find the where the middle is, we take 20, we add a 1 to it, and we divide by 2. Now this gives us 21 divided by 2, which is equal to 10.5. Now, so what it means is that the median of the scores will lie between the 10th value and the 11th value. Now, the thing about this is that we actually have to arrange the scores from the smallest to the largest. All right, so let's do this. All right, we'll do it for we'll do the median for we'll arrange the scores for Adrian first. All right, so this is how we go about doing it. So for part 2, let's look at Adrian's score. So we'll cross out the numbers as we go. So the smallest is 4. Right, and then we have 5. We have 6. And we have 6 over here. We also have, how many 7s? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 7s. Let's cross out 7s now. What do we have next? We have 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 8s. Let's cross the 8s out. Well, actually, we have more than 5 8s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 8s. And that finally leaves us with 3 9s and a 10. All right, so let's look at where the median is. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the median is in between the 10th lowest score and the 11th lowest score, which is still 8. So the median, so the answer, median for Adrian is actually 8. Let's do it for Zoltan now. Zoltan's median score, let's take a look. All right, his lowest score is 5. Let's do 5. 5. And we have another 5 here, and we have another 5. Let's cross those 5s out. So that gives us 5, 5. Do we have 6s? We have 1, 2. We have 2 6s. Let's cross the 6s out. Do we have 7s? Yes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 7s. And we then have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 8s. 5 8s. Let's cross those 8s out. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 9s. Let's cross the 9s out. And finally, we have 2 10s. All right, let's look out. Let's check for the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, all right, the median is in between 8 and 8. So the median is still 8. Right, now let's take a look at the Q1. The Q1 for Adrian. All right, Q1 for Adrian. Now take a look, because we have split this into two halves. We got 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To find the middle, we'll have to take the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a line there. All right. This would be our first quartile for Adrian, and that would be it will be 7. So Q1 for Adrian is 7. Let's look at what Q3 is, where Q3 is where 75% of the scores lie below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha. Q3 is 8.5. So Q3 is 8.5. Let's take a look at the interquartile range for quartiles for Zoltan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the median is here, so it's between 6.5. It's between 6 and 7, so that makes it a Q1 to be 6.5. Okay, so Q1 will be 6.5. And finally, let's take a look at the bottom 75%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 9. There you go. So Q3 for Zoltan is 9. So if we draw the box plots, all right. So the box plots for Adrian, and let's number them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So let's do it for Adrian first. This would be Adrian's box plot. All right. So Adrian's box plot has his lowest score. His lowest score is 4. We put a whisker there. His highest score is 10. All right. Now his median is 8. And his Q1 is 7. And his Q3 is 8.5. All right. So this is Adrian's box plot. And then we have Zoltan's box plot. All right, Zoltan, his starts at 5. Now, Zoltan may seem initially to have a smaller range, all right, because he starts at 5 and ends at 10. All right, but let's take a look at where his Q1s are. His Q1 starts at 6.5. This one there. Right, and his Q3 is 9. So you can see that Zoltan, in this case, let's take a look, that's 8. All right. Both Zoltan and Adrian have the same median, but you can tell from here that Zoltan has a larger middle spread. And that actually ties in with his standard deviation being larger. So to answer the last part, okay, the IQR, the interquartile range for Adrian, is between 8.5 and 7. That gives us 1.5 for Adrian. And the interquartile range would be 9 take away 6.5, which is 2.5. So all the statistics bear out that Zoltan has a greater interquartile range as well as a greater standard deviation than Adrian.